In areas where the growing season is very short, it makes sense to start your seeds early. Take some coco coir or seed starting mix and fill in your cells, making sure that there's no air pockets by compressing the soil into each cell. To ensure the highest rate of germination, I recommend that you place more than one seed in each cell. And if all the seeds germinate in one cell, don't worry. You've done everything right, and now you have more seedlings to plant into your garden later on. It is now time to cover your seeds. With this tool, gently press your seeds down to the recommended depth. Using a spray bottle, gently moisten the surface of your seed starting mix. Most seed starting kits come with a dome. Some domes come with a vent. Ensure that it is totally closed to ensure that all the humidity and moisture stays within. The only thing left now to do is wait for the magical moment when germination occurs. At the moment that this happens, make sure that your lighting is kept 12 to 18 hours on to ensure that your seedlings grow healthy and strong. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Thank you and happy gardening.